welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to do a ROM review. Actually, it is not a ROM review. Actually, this is a Repack ROM of MIUI Indonesian version, MIUI 13 Android 12. First of all, I would like to thank the modder, the person who did modification to this ROM. He did an amazing job. I mean, it is butter smooth. You can feel the smoothness from the app launching and all. Look how smooth the app launching is. Now everything is actually kept stock. You will have the MIUI dialer, which Indonesian and Taiwanese ROMs do have, and apart from that, the ROM is actually having the Poco launcher. So basically, you will have the entire stock performance for this particular ROM, or in this particular ROM, let's say. The ROM doesn't have any bugs because it is actually based on the stock MIUI version. So coming to the settings page, what you can expect is like the ROM has debloated some apps as per the changelog, and you can also expect to have a smooth performance. Going to the about font section and going to the all specification, you can see that the Android security update is the December version, and you can see the kernel that's been used in this particular ROM is actually the default kernel. So you can expect everything to be default. One thing that I have noticed is about the screen recorder in this particular ROM. The screen recorder is actually custom screen recorder or a modified screen recorder. So let us take the application now and let us go to the settings page. You can actually customize the video quality. You can also customize the frame rate. So basically you will have a few customization being added onto the screen recorder. That is something new. The ROM doesn't pass safety net by default. So basically you will have to install the universal safety net fix. Also, the ROM is not Monet enabled by default. So you will have to also use the MIUI Monet project module in order to enable the Monet theming for this particular ROM. So you are actually having almost all the stock application. Even the ROM is actually bloated with little bit of gaps. So that is something that you have to remove using ADB. So the settings, everything looks stock, and the ROM is actually really good too. Once you have flashed the module in the Magisk, the ROM passes the safety net by default. Overall, the ROM is really amazing. One more thing which I just want to tell you is that the ROM is actually using the MIUI 13 font by default. So you can see the MIUI 13 font once I have changed it into light mode. So that is also a change in the ROM. Once again, I would like to thank the person who did modifications to this ROM. It's really great. It's an amazing ROM. If you want to use it, you can use it. You can the Play Store will be passed by Magisk module. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching my ROM review, and please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.